Good morning, everybody. Wow, did we get some news today? What a knowledge dump. What a news breaking day. I'm excited. You get excited. We got a new bike. That's right. We got a new bike. We also got tariff news. We got a lot of things to get into. So let's just start off here. There was an announcement today, 2025 Wired Freedom. That's right. You guessed it. You see the picture. That's what's up there. That's what we got. So we're running with that. We've gone to a new frame and it's a main battery mounted. This looks more like the Wear frame, a little bit different because the battery compartment's a little bit different, but kind of the same thing. So let's break that down. That is huge. One other thing we'll get to right off the bat, so some of you guys can run out and order this, like pause it right now, go out and order this thing. What makes this bike so great? What makes this bike so great is it's $1,999 today. Plus there's a coupon for $50 off, and that would be the CC Freedom coupon. And that's from Citizen Cycles coupon. Put that in there, you get $50 off. So basically $1,949. Best this bike has ever been, and this bike just got an improvement. So you might want to stop right now and get your butt out there and buy one right now before they're gone, because these will sell out. You have until Sunday night to get this done. After that, prices go up. Why am I hyped? Man, they've made some major improvements to this bike. May not sound like a big deal, but this right now, this is the best bang for the buck bike out there. This is what you want to get. Let's take a look at it really quick here, and then I'll go over a couple specifications. As you notice on the down tube, they've moved from a side mount battery to a in-frame mount battery in the front. Cleans the whole front end up, makes it look like everything else in the line. Gives it that sleek look. That's awesome. Then another improvement they made, they've taken the controller off the back and they've put it underneath, inside the frame. Huge. Cleans the bike up immensely. Last thing you want to do is have controllers hanging off your bike, making it look like crap. You don't want that. That's old style. This is not a Franken bike you built in the garage. This is a polished machine. This is what you want to represent. This is what you want to ride. This thing is sleek and it's bad. Another cool thing that they've done, they've gone ahead in the rear and they've redone the racking system. Made this thing super strong now. Go ahead and check out Citizen Cycle. He'll go over that a little bit more detail about what they did to the rack. So let's get into a couple of changes that they did. Other than that, we also have the new programmability that these bikes have. In the programming, you can change it to class 1, class 2, class 3 at a flip of your finger in the settings. No more going through a whole bunch of menu items. You can just click to it, 1, 2, 3, and if you want unlimited, bam, you're in unlimited. It's great. It takes you everywhere you need to be legal to where you're at when you're riding. If you're in 1, you can click for it. You'll go into class 1 and so forth and so on. It's just a quick change menu and it is amazing. So fast, so good. Here's a big one, guys. This is what everybody's wanted, and we've heard about it in the other bikes, and it's coming to this one. Torque and cadence sensor across the entire line. Absolutely mind-blowing. That is fantastic. Every bike should come with this. Bikes that don't, feel sorry for you. They've also upgraded the freewheel in the back. You're looking at 1134 freewheel now. A dual-sided chain ring. And that's great too. I mean, it's just going to make your chain stay on a lot better. I'm really happy about this bike. I didn't know they were going to do this to this bike. Amazing news to hear this. To me, it's just like, this is a no-brainer. You go out and buy this bike now. The lowest price, you got to remember, lowest price it's ever been. And why is that so huge? Tariffs. Some companies have jacked their bikes up over 2 times what they cost. A lot of other people have added $500, $1,000 onto their bottom bikes. No warning at all to their people. They come out and they said, after it's done, you got to just suck it up and pay the difference. Wired's giving you a grace period. You have until Sunday night to get this done. My thing is, that's if they don't sell out. So move on the whole line of bikes. Whichever bike you had your eye on, move on it. Use the Citizen Cycle discount for every bike you're looking for. If you're looking for a Predator, it's CC Predator. If you're looking at a Freedom, it's CC Freedom. If you're looking for a Cruiser, CC Cruiser. So CC, then the name of the bike, that gets you your discount. On the entry level stuff, on the Freedom and on the Cruiser, that's going to get you $50 now. And on the other bikes, the 72 bikes, it'll get you $100 now. Now, the prices don't go up until Sunday night, but the Brian said that his code is good until May 1st. We ain't waiting until May 1st. We buying our stuff right now because it ain't going to be there. It's not going to last the weekend. So like I said, if you're hearing this right now for the first time, pause this, go buy your bike. Don't mess around. Go buy your bike, or you're just going to be sitting on the sidelines this summer. You're going to be completely out the game. And by the time this tariff stuff gets done, who knows where these bikes are going to wind up. They're saying right now the initial increase on the lower end bikes is going to be $200. I don't know if it was across the range. Wasn't paying that much attention to all that. So I don't know what specifically he said, but like I say, go back and watch Citizen Cycle's latest segment that he dropped this morning. And this is where you'll find the information. The picture, I wish I had more pictures of the Freedom. This is the only known rendering out there that I've seen. This is it. This is all that Brian at Citizen Cycle had. So it's all I can bring you right now. So that's pretty great. Let's move on. So that's the Freedom. So the Cruiser is also getting a lot of those upgrades too. You know, you're talking rack, you're a double chain ring, you're talking about the freewheel in the back, you're talking all that. It's getting all that stuff too. One thing unique to the Cruiser is they're going to lower the seat stem a bit there. So you're going to get 1 more inch of clearance. So if you're a little bit shorter rider, just couldn't quite get in there, now you got an extra inch to play with. And over standover and getting on and off, that's huge. That's a big deal. So go after that. Thumbs up. Cruiser. If Cruiser's what you want, get on the Cruiser too. Same deal applies to those guys. Same price. Get on that. As for the other bikes, I didn't really hear any new news on the new ones, the Warrior and the Scout. Didn't hear much news on that as far as like nothing that's new that we haven't heard. We haven't even got these bikes yet, so that was that. But here's one key thing I took away from this whole thing. Brian mentioned something about the Predator being at like 10,000 watts now. Now, I don't know if that was a slip or what, but that's very encouraging, I guess you could say. But I think it's about 6 minutes in, he starts talking about the Predator. He goes over the specs on the motors and stuff like that. And he says something about it being like 10,000 total watts now. I'm not sure the accuracy on that, but we went from 8,000 plus. Now we're hinting at 10,000. 8,000, 10,000. Stupid impressive. Okay. So what did we learn from all this? We learned that you're going to go out there and you're going to order all your stuff today before it sells out. Once it sells out, you're going to get kicked into the new pricing. And you also have only until Sunday night. So, but don't wait till Sunday night. If you're even thinking about this, you can get on it today because yeah, the price is good, but what if they sell completely out? They can only make so many bikes. So there's a point where they're going to quit taking orders. So like I said, in the 2+ years I've been around wired bikes, the Freedom and the Cruiser right now with the upgrades that they have at this price point, and you add in all the tariff crap that's happening in this world, unprecedented, absolutely mind-blowing. Buy these bikes. If you need an entry level, get in on this now. If you don't, it won't be fear of missing out. You'll just be missing out. All right, guys, hit it, buy, see you in the groups. Have a great day.